Hey YouTubers, it's time to introduce you to a big update of our bestseller, YouTube Essential Graphics. More than 5,000 sales. Winner of Best Project Top 20. This pack contains all you need to make your videos look more stylish and professional. There are more than 230 ready-made compositions that suit any channel theme. 22 categories included: openers, transitions, lower thirds, subscribes, elements, and more. Works with Easy Edit Viewer, quick tool for video design. It's easy to edit compositions with one click. Change duration of any shot. Edit text. And customize colors so it matches your identity. Choose your style to be unique. Design your videos and YouTube profile. The project includes PSD layouts with cover, user pick, and thumbnails to make your channel look pro. We also have a bonus for you: Easy Edit Assets, a power tool for finding and downloading free media resources. 83+ million of free media files. Import GIFs, images, videos with just one click into your project. Add emotions to your project. Spice up your project and make it more vivid and bright with tons of cool GIFs and emojis. See our other projects to make unique content and save you time.